hot. Mr. Lawyer, hello, shout out Mr. Lawyer. Thank you. Yeah guys, this Tasty Foods, guys, please support for Tasty guys, okay? You drop your link, Tasty. Just 4 minutes me, okay? After 4 minutes guys, I will go in my work guys, okay? After 4 minutes. You drop your link, Tasty. Yes, that one. I see you drop your link. Yeah guys, this Tasty guys, okay? Bing, ako nang gidungagan imong house din. Dungagan naman ang tajud na ako. Basin pag ka nagkuan, dungagan yun ako karon. Maupoy pag-upin ako ba? Sakto-sakto po, palupad po ka, marag na, unsa-unsa ra. Natabla. Yeah guys, just only 3 minutes me, okay? Because I want to go on my work guys. I don't like Madam, she's angry for me. I don't need use makeup. Already beautiful too. Salamat ba? Mora gitiks ra. Gani oh, giuna sana ko si DS family kay naabay ito gahapon na ako wala pa nakatagan ako. Kinahanglan na mahatagan na ako sila dayon. Ma'am Patricia Elkins, Sir Dat, Hambasahaya, Ma'am Precious James. Yeah, kay DS family. Do you have join my live stream? You don't join my live? Mr. Lawyer, I'm sorry if I cannot come because if I'm busy. I'm not always in my mobile. Archie, don't share. Because guys, 4 o'clock, Madam, she's coming in her house. Yeah, she's coming 4 o'clock. That's why I need to go. Mosa. I will not put makeup, just I put cream for my face because I have black now in my face. Because more hot hair, you know. Very hot. Sir, this is more nagkuhan ito gahapon. Pwede ko sulat og pila na mong saging 123 din. 123 din. Wala ka na, alas 4:10 na dyan siya. Alas 4:10. Nasa matulog, ron dito sa ilalong ba? Sa rooms kong amo. Tog dito ah. Hagok ay. Usok kay nakatog. Lami kayo ang chair ni Baba dito kay Kuan. Pupawiraw. Kinsa ka hapon ha. Well, 30 naman karon no. Emotion sir that inspiring. Si Hambasahaya di ay. Mom Sweetie daw bitaw. Check na ko yung house. 161. Naglanubo pa na. Ako ko'y kung ano nun ay butangan na no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pa kabuok. Unya na ni oy. 689. Guys, I will end na guys ha. Bye-bye na guys. God bless guys and love you all. Isaan, my friend, hello, shout out. Then against